Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start with 3 essential prerequisites. The AC powered, your phone on the same too, 4 GHz Wi-Fi, and the Voltas Smart AC app installed. Once done, make sure mobile data is off so the phone uses the target router. Put the AC into Wi-Fi pairing, usually by pressing and holding the Wi-Fi/mode button until the LED blinks. Open the app, sign in, and choose Add Device. The app looks for a blinking AC and prompts you to continue. Once the app detects the AC, select your 4 GHz SSID and enter the Wi-Fi password carefully. Wrong characters cause failures. The app will instruct the AC to join the network and you'll see the LED blink faster. This indicates active pairing. If progress stalls, make sure router is not on guest mode and that AP isolation is off. After successful pairing, name the unit and assign a room so commands and schedules are clear. Allow the app to update firmware when offered. To finish, test basic functions from the app: power, temperature, fan, and swing. Create a schedule and check status feedback to confirm two-way communication. If you want, enable cloud access for remote control and link your voice assistant following the app prompts. If something goes wrong, first reboot the router and AC, confirm the router broadcasts 4 GHz and not only 5 GHz, then retry pairing. If repeated failures occur, perform a factory Wi-Fi reset on the AC as a last resort.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.